Hello everyone, good afternoon and namaste from IICA. Welcome everyone to our Facebook live session. It's 4 right now and we are on time. So today we are going to make a very nice dessert, that is chocolate and cream and cookies cremo with walnut brittle. It will be a caramel walnut brittle, and we are going to make cookies and cream cremo. So before going that, cremo is a texture. The cremo refers to the term texture because the dessert that we are going to make today will be very creamy in texture, and that's why the name is derived is cremo. For this kind of technical for this kind of technical references of the desserts and everything, we are here at IICA. We are ready to teach, and and I hope you all are ready to learn from us. We are soon starting with our online and offline hobby chef classes. The dates are we are going to start it very soon, and also the July batch of the full-time courses. The full-time courses of the July batch admissions are starting. The admission whoever is interested to join in our July batch full-time courses. Our full-time courses, we have diploma in bakery and patisserie, that's a 12-month course. We have advanced diploma in bakery and patisserie, that is an 18-month course, and we have advanced diploma in culinary arts, that's a 24-month 2 years course. And we are starting with our July. We have started our admission process for our July batch. So whoever your near and dear ones, and whoever is thriving to be a chef, we are here ready to to grow together, to learn together, and teach you the best, and from our very amazing professional faculties who are going to teach you the the niche and the topmost culinary arts that is there in worldwide. And along with that, we also are having our CIA Pro Chef program, that's from the Culinary Institute of America. We all know that. So we are having our CIA Pro Chef program. For details, you can log into our website, that is www.chefica.com. So let's start. So we have cream with us. We have cream. We are going to boil it a bit. It's a very amazing dessert. It's summer right now. The summer is approaching. It's a very nice weather. The summer is approaching, and this dessert you can chill it down in the refrigerator, and you can have it. You can have it for your midnight cravings. You can have it during the day. You can just chill it in the refrigerator, and it will be very. You can have it chilled, and you can enjoy it. So we will just warm our cream a bit. As I was talking about, as our January batch has already started, the last date was February 18th, and we are approaching towards and we are slowly approaching towards our second batch. So admissions are started. The inquiries are we have already started getting the inquiries for opening of our July batch. So anyone who is interested and we want to be a chef and who is ready to rock the culinary world can call us, and all the details of our courses, like what we are going to teach, what all details or what all curriculum are there in the part of our programs of the bakery program and as well as culinary program. You will receive all the details in our website. So we have melted our we have boiled our cream. If you have any questions through the live session, anyone can question on the chat box, and we will be very happy to answer. So we are going to add our eggs. So while making the cremo, there are two methods. One is on a double boiler, And second is a very quick method that which one I am sharing you personally. Right, this is a very quick method. This is a very quick cremo method. Usually the cremo, authentically the cremo is made. Traditionally the cremo is made on a double boiler. The cream and the eggs are cooked together over a double boiler, and then the gelatin is added, and that is how it is made. But I have very less patience, right? I will share with you. I will share with all of you. I have very less patience, so I don't want to wait in front of the cooking oven for long to double boil and get it thick. So I will use a shortcut method, and we will get the product. Right, so we are going to just warm it down. We are going to warm it up a bit more. We have added the eggs. The stirring should be continuous to avoid any kind of the eggs should not get curdled. So we are offering our courses from City and Guild. That is City and Guild from United Kingdom. We provide our all certification courses from City and Guild United Kingdoms. And apart from City and Guild United Kingdoms, as I have told you, we are also having our CIA Pro Chef, that is the Culinary Institute of America certification. So you can see our cream is a bit thick now. It's a bit thick now, and we are going to add some white chocolates. Right. Well, I am not a very big fan of white chocolate, but this recipe demands that. And when we talk about cookies and cream, it's basically the cream refers to the creamy texture and the flavor of vanilla, which this white chocolate is having. This is a white chocolate with vanilla flavor. And the chocolate will slowly melt with the warmth of the cream. Right. So this is how it's going to be by texture. So for learning this kind of technical aspect of cooking, right? Because there are many aspects of a recipe. Like there is a professional way, and there is a amateur way. Getting references from different sources and creating your own desserts. And another aspect is having a professional way, a professional attempt towards a recipe. So we at IICA follow that very religiously. Our mentor, Mr. Virendra Datta, he is our mentorship, and he always tell us like the recipe is the soul, right? So we always have to approach it in a professional way. So that's how we always at IIC we approach the recipes always in a professional way, the technical terms, the technical aspects of a recipe, to become a chef that demands for a coming up generation. So our cream is ready. You all can see that. And we are going to melt the gelatin. We just need to melt it. You can also melt the gelatin in a double boiler. You just need a small saucepan like this, and a bowl with the gelatin soaked in the water, and you just need to place it. With the steam, the gelatin will get boiled. And as I am telling you, I am a very impatient person. I want recipes to become very quick and finish it very fast. So that's why I am showing you this method, that is making the cremo on the range with cream and eggs together. And as I told you, the authentic and the traditional method is you take the cream and egg yolk together and you double boil it, and slowly it will become thick. Then you add your chocolates. Now we have our gelatin ready. We are going to add the gelatin and we are going to mix it. Right, so it's ready. So our cremo is ready. It will be a very creamy and very creamy texture. Right. So please like our Facebook and Instagram pages. We have continuous updates about what all happening at our institute, what all are the latest things that are happening in our institute. We have our new batch has started. You will get all the updates whatever are happening at our institute. So we keep on constant uploading in our Instagram website, and that is Chef IICA New Delhi. And also we have our Facebook page, which you are all watching right now. So you will get all the details of whatever happening at our institute and the updates about our hobby chefs classes that are online and offline both. We have both our online and offline hobby chef classes at Delhi and our Gurgaon Institute, and you will get all the details on the Facebook. So we have cookies, Oreo cookies. The major part of cookies and cream are the cookies, right? So we're going to take a bit of cookies. We going to keep 3 pieces for me personally. No, it's for the garnish. Okay, and we are going to just crush it down. Right. We're going to just crush down the cookies. So here is our cookies. We have crushed the cookies down. Right. So the hands will be a bit messy for this work. Right. Just crush down the cookies nicely. We are going to crush it down. Okay, so let me tell you the dates of our short term, that is the hobby chefs courses, the online and offline hobby chef courses timing. Let me tell you, one is starting very soon. Today is 25th and tomorrow, right? So tomorrow 26th Feb we are starting with our short term hobby chef courses. After that it's 3rd March and 5th March. So these 3 dates are in the very short. We are our short-term hobby chef courses are starting. For details of the hobby chef classes, you can visit our as I told you www.chefiica.com website, and as well as in our Facebook page for the continuous updates of our hobby chef details. So we have the cookies ready with us. Now we are going to do layers of cookies. We are going to add some cookies in the base. Right. And we are going to layer it with our cremo. So our cream is ready. This is our cremo. This will be the texture, the smooth texture. It will, as it is having gelatin, it will set. So for those who are looking for a veg option, which I receive very often, that what are the veg options of gelatin. So in the market veg gelatin is available. So anyone who is don't like the non-veg gelatin can absolutely visit the market, and non-veg veg gelatin is readily available. Okay, so we will set it in layers. So we have a layer of cream cookies, and now the layer of the cremo. Then we will have again a layer of cookies. Right. And This dessert is served best chilled, so you have to set it nicely and you can enjoy it. Right, so we are going to just toss some more cookies on top of it and we are going to set it in our refrigerator. It's a very quick, easy recipe that you can try in your home. You will get the cookies in your nearby shops. You will get the white chocolate. Like you can use the you all can use the Milky Bar chocolates. If you don't get bakery chocolates nearby your home, you will easily get Milky Bar chocolates. And that's the beauty of the hobby chef classes. Like for the hobby chefs classes, we also, while we are conducting the classes, we also give this kind of share this kind of details with our students. Like if you don't get proper bakery shops nearby your home, how you can arrange all the ingredients by yourself. Like as I just told you, if you don't have a bakery specialist shop nearby, you can use the Milky Bar chocolate by Nestle. So you can just melt that, and you can, in place of white chocolate I have used, you can use those chocolate and you can make this amazing dessert. Cream you will get your nearby stores, cookies obviously, and we have walnuts and sugar. So these all are very simple ingredients, very quick ingredients, which are going to make a very tasty dessert. So we are just going to set it. So we are just going to set the dessert in the refrigerator. Now we will start with our walnut brittle. Right, so we have our sugar with us. So we have sugar, Mr. Sugar. I have named it in some past Facebook session live. I have named this as Mr. Sugar, who will burn right now to caramel just out of jealousy. So as I told you, he is so jealous, Mr. Sugar is so jealous, he is just going to get burned. And it will transform into a caramel. So for caramel we need a wooden spoon. See, it started burning. Mr. Sugar carries so much ego. Just a little heat and he is burning. So yeah, we have to be very careful while handling the caramel. It is very hot, right? So as I was sharing you that there are two kind of approach towards a recipe. One is a professional approach that we do at IICA, right? And another is an amateur approach. So we always need to go with the professional approach. So here is our caramel which is ready. We just are going to add a bit of walnut. You can be free about adding the quantity of the walnut. That is always your call. You want less caramel or more caramel. Nicely we are going to mix it. And we are going to flatten it on a silicone mat. We need a rolling pin. We are going to close it like this and very lightly we are going to roll it down. Right. So this is our walnut brittle. So we are just going to rest it. So as I told you, so now what will be the veg option for the cremo? What is going to be the veg option for the cremo? That also I am going to share you. So in place of eggs, you can have custard powder. Right, you can add the same amount of custard powder and you can mix it and you will get a option. The taste will differ a bit definitely, and you will get a veg option for the chocolate and cookie and cream cremo. So I think our cremo is set and we are going to place it. Right, so our cremo is set. We are going to garnish it with the cookies. Right, we are going to garnish it with our broken cookies. And here we go. And our walnut bitters on the sides. Chunks of walnut bitters all over the place. So here is our cookies and cream cremo, cookies and cream cremo. So you have to set it in the. So you have to set this in the refrigerator for a bit longer. Right, so you have to set it in the refrigerator for a bit longer, say even overnight. So you will get a very nice and refreshing chilled dessert, and you can enjoy it. And there's a walnut brittle along with that. So you will not keep the walnut brittle in the refrigerator. Definitely, you are going to just keep the cookies cream cremo. Brittle you can keep it in the normal room temperature. And you can enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining our Facebook live session, and please visit our website for all the details as I have shared about all our full-time and hobby chef class courses. Thank you so much.